Hello and good day. We are Team Pineapple Studios and this is our demo video. So this is what the landing page of our application looks like with the email and password boxes. We right now register for a new user. We have the input fields for the username, email, password, and to confirm the password. So right now we are creating a profile for a random user. Here we have inputted a weak password. And as we can see, when we try to sign up, it says that the password must be at least 8 characters long, including number, uppercase letter, and a symbol. Therefore, for the sake of our demo, we create a strong password to create the profile. As soon as a user creates the profile, they are directed to the preferences page. Here you can choose your genre of your preference. Right now we're choosing action, horror, and romance, and thriller. Now the user is guided to the profile page where they can see the preferences they have just chosen. They can see the viewing history, which is empty as of now. And on the left hand side, they can see the date joined, the time they have used it for, and they can also change their themes. We have the retro and the forest themes, which show the light and the dark mode. For the sake of this demo, we'll switch back to the light mode, which is the retro mode. We can also edit the profile details, which is we can change the preferences. It gives you if it gives you a message, and you can here remove or add your preferences as you choose. Apart from the preferences, we can also edit the name and the email that we have provided. Now heading to the home page, this is the others are watching page where you can see the content being viewed by our other users. These are provided by our AI recommendation system on the basis of the preferences that you have chosen. And on top, you can see the for you, which is the tailored recommendations that our AI recommendation system has provided to you, again based on the preferences that you have chosen. We also have a slide feature for the when there are multiple items. Here you can access an item and you have the option of adding it to library, and you can also add the item to your favorite. Now when we go back, we can also choose another item and we can add to library directly, and we can also add it to favorite or not. We can also edit tags, and for example, we'll add a new tag by the name of new tag, and you can, as you can see, the tag has been added. We can also remove it with ease. When we click on view recommendation for an item, our AI recommendation system recommends you books, music, and movies on the basis of your selection. Now, when we click on one of the recommendations, you can see it provides you a detailed description along with other details about the content as well. You can also see the publication date and the page count. It includes the genres that it is included in. For now, we will add it to the library. We can go back and we can see the items have been added to our library. And as you can see, we have added 3 items to our library as of now, one from each genre, that is music, books, and movies. As the user adds more than 3, greater than or equal to 3 items in the library, the AI recommendation system recommends you items on the basis of those choices, as you can see right now. Now we go back to library and we have the option of creating a new folder. We will create a folder by the name of new folder, and now it gives you the option of adding items to the folder. When we finish, we can see that these are the items in the folder. We can edit the folder as well by changing the name of it. We also have the option of editing items, which is removing or adding new items from the library in the folder. And we also have the option of deleting the folder. For the sake of this demo, we'll go ahead and delete the folder right now. This is the search page for our application. Right now, I'll be searching Harry Potter. And as I look it up, we are shown recommendations that are closely related to Harry Potter for all songs, music, and movies. We can also filter our searches by the content type, which is books, music, and movies. Now, if we try to search up Cujo, the book by Stephen King, and type book, it only shows you books. And here we can see we have gotten the book Cujo by Stephen King. We add it to the library for now and click on view recommendations. We get the recommendations which are most closely related to Cujo or other publications by Stephen King. So this is what our account looks like. As you can see the viewing history for ourselves, the items we have clicked on. Last but not least comes the logout option. When we click on the logout option, it gives you a prompt that are you sure you want to log out? As we do want to log out, we go with the yes option. And if the user does not click logout, it will automatically log out after 6 minutes of no activity. So we are redirected back to the login page. And if you want to go to the library directly, we can input the URL and it will redirect the user to the login page. Because if you're not logged in into your account, you won't be able to access the features that our app provides. Thank you, and that is all from our side.